Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you how to pop a party popper. Okay, let's go. Bye. Okay, it is very easy to pop a party popper, but it can be very dangerous also. But today I'm going to show you the best way. So all you want to do is get your party popper, get the string and put it around your finger like this one, and then you have to say the magic words, hasta la vista baby. Wait a minute. Before you guys start, it is going to make a bang, so hold yourself tightly and let's go for a ride. Hasta la vista baby. Ooh, wow, party popper. That was a good one. As always, guys, if you like that video, please remember to subscribe. Go and check out my other videos, and as always, believe.